All right, my fellow viewers, our tasty looking samosas are ready, and you can actually really customize these, switch them around with the vegetables of your choice and meat of your choice. If you don't like beef and you prefer chicken, then go for it. So I really love this for my school lunch.
Hello viewers, welcome to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to make samosa. It's a very delicious recipe. A lot of people love samosa. So we are making beef samosa today. To make beef samosa, I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, and quarter teaspoon baking soda. Now to combine the dry ingredients together. If you are new to this channel, please watch our videos and subscribe our channel. If you already did so, thank you so much. So after we combine all the dry ingredients, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of regular cooking oil and then mix them well. Now I'm going to add some black seed. It's optional, but I love the flavor and it's even good for your health. Now I have taken here 1 cup of water that I'm going to add gradually. So now to make the dough, I'm going to use my hand. Okay, you see the dough is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grease some oil and put it on top and cover it and rest it for 20 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to make the stuffing, and I have a pan. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to pour 1 cup of minced beef, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup chopped onion, half a teaspoon black pepper, so here I have taken chili powder, coriander powder, some garam masala and cumin powder that I'm going to dump it in there. Mix well. Pinch of ginger powder, some potatoes, now that the meat and potatoes are already cooked, I'm going to add bell pepper. Now the final touch, that I'm going to put some fresh coriander leaves, and this is done. So the stuffing is ready, and I'm waiting until it is cooled down and comes to the room temperature, and then I will make beef samosas. Now that the stuffing has come to the room temperature, and it's the perfect time to make the beef samosas. So I have taken here 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mixed with some water to make the glue. So now I have divided the dough into small portions. To make samosas, you just need to make small rotis, put the stuffing inside. So I'm rolling the tortilla. Okay, so cut this roti into half. And then you can use some glue. Cover this and take it into your hand, and now I can put the stuff inside. So to close it, put some water or the glue that you prepared. Put all sides and then close this. So in the same way, I'm going to make all samosas, and then you can keep it refrigerated in your deep fridge for about a month. So now I'm going to fry these samosas. Alright, so I have some oil on a pan and it is really hot now. So I'm going to place these samosas on the oil. And I'm going to flip the sides. So since I made the samosas with raw dough, not the pastry sheet from the store, you really need to make sure that you're frying this on a medium temperature so that it cooks really well. And it is going to be crunchy outside and so yummy. So these are done. I'm going to fry the others in the same way.
All right, my fellow viewers, our tasty looking samosas are ready, and you can actually like really customize these, switch them around like with the vegetables of your choice and meat of your choice. If you don't like beef and you prefer chicken, then go for it. So I really love this for my school lunch, and it's a really good snack. It's healthier than the store-bought ones, and it's more fresher. You can store this for next time for future usings. And by the way, this is like not a really good time to go to the store and buy this, so this is a really good way to make these at home yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed our video, and if so, please give us a big thumbs up and share our videos with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe, and if you want to have an update on any new recipes, then hit that bell notification. But for now, see you soon!